Ebuka Obi and Arrange na 5 and 6. Guys, I said that Prophet Ebuka Obi and arrangement, you get me, of miracles. Now 5 and 6. It was hello guys, calm down. I'm not coming to waste your time. Now guys, listen up. I know that most of you guys, as of now, must have been left open-mouthed based on this my statement. You get me, honestly, because you guys cannot really wait to hear what you go bring profit down. Unu mention that unu no ife, yeah. Unu na-echekwa unu n'ife ga-ebutu Ebuka Obi, but nothing. You can't hear that from me, right? Rather, I'll make statements that will what get him increased. You guys are just jealous about this guy's meteoric rise to fame. What a good. When did it started? You understand me? Okay, let me just call it 15 years ago, man. And this guy is just reigning throughout the whole world. One not easy. Like, why are you guys so jealous, so envious of this man's prosperity, this man's fame? What did happen, Seth? When he had nobody, right, in the ministry, okay, I know that most of you guys, even family members, Seth, go they call Sam. Say, imagine, look at Eba or just he went to now call the boy after everything, nothing. Say after he do apprenticeship, okay, you don't work for him. You come end up doing this rubbish. Does it make sense? Because these, among others, we are one of the things you guys may be saying, friends, family members. Now you don't make them now through this ministry now, okay? Because it's so famous, man. President of Nigeria, know him. African president, know him. The world president, know him. Easy, easy at all. Like the one where they pay me, where you say all these new generational fathers, man, Gen Z fathers, I think so now only where our guests day we get Gen Z fathers, right? But now I see that we have Gen Z padres. What did they happen? They will be on the net, say, now try wine on net. Because they only a blogger father, be the person will get time to the check women online. Yes, thank God the testimony girl has come right to say, well, according to her, in the meantime, nobody sent her. You get me that she only wished to do that, okay, because that is what she aspire, or let me say what she clamored to having, you get me, in the future. So maybe this girl went and had a dream, right? After having a dream of having a gigantic house, okay, she have to come, okay, to now say what she planned this thing by herself, maybe. What's your name? Yes. I told you in my last video that there are people that derive joy, right, going around making or giving out testimonies. You get me? Something will be said, no, they happen in their life. They go just assume say they happen. If they happen now, somebody that voice record is you guys listened to last yesterday. Prove it all. So rapid Ebuka Obi, allow this man to enjoy his fame and money. Can he afford it? Yeah, the 3 vows, man. He has never broken any. That is why he is so powerful. Tell me, among all these new generation fathers now, tell me who never knock woman. Wine on the internet. All the Catholic girls now they knock them. Now lie or see, I know everything. Mind you, before you can be able to fight a system, you must be part of that system. I am part of what? Catholic Church. So I know things, right? I'm just, see, guys, this would really be a long ride. I just come small. One day, I go blow where. You get me? Until what the better, better, nonsense. Guys, see, allow prophet to enjoy one day. You get me? Allow him to enjoy. See, God is with this man. No matter what you do, one day he keeps on rising. Isn't that enough to tell you that God is with this man? There's nothing that you can do to bring him down. You get me? He will keep on rising both in fame and in money. He will never ask you for money. Now you go use your hand, give him what you want to give him to support the what ministry. And look at what the projects this guy they do. Look at Aguleri in Anambra State. What did our government know if you do? Ebuka Obi they do one. They build, I think a sort of old people, house. Are you serious? Government work where this man they do, and you can't call him Odogo. Kai. Oh, Ndi Igbo. Kendi Meunu. You guys are so jealous. Well, I know that we are egalitarian and republican in nature. I know that, but honestly, we should try to what? Save our own. All these Catholic Gen Z, fathers, man. All these Catholic new, generational Catholic priests. No. And again, una knows not online now, actually wine online. What did the happen self? Soon I go begin call una name, so una never know. Una don't enter one chance, so Chebi Makasi, una don't enter one chance one day. One called me on phone, but no need. Let me know, let me know. I am not that man with a leak secret. I will never leak your secret, okay? But because calm down, and we could be there. I know Bizayon member, but I'll always say the fact. What's I rest my case.